Hello everyone. Super fast video just to show you the basics of a Veeam backup and replication install for our v11 beta 1 product. When we click on setup, we'll click on install, we'll accept the license agreements, we'll browse out, and we'll select our license file. We will allow Veeam to automatically install the missing prerequisites by clicking on the install button. Those are automatically included in the installation media. Once those have been installed, we'll continue on with the installation and click on next. We'll verify that the cache folder and guest catalog are pointing to our secondary drive. All of the other settings here are default, and Veeam actually does this automatically if you already have the secondary drive attached and visible to the operating system once you start the install. It will install all of the various components. You can see that it installs backup and replication server, the various explorers, the agent redistributables. It starts the service, and it's completed. When you finish, please click yes to restart to ensure a successful installation. Thank you.